Hello everyone. Today we'll be starting with the third chapter of political science, that is democracy and diversity. The first topic in the chapter is a story from Mexico Olympics, which was held in 1968 at Mexico City. As we can see in the picture, there is a medal ceremony going on. This medal ceremony is of the 200-meter race which was held in the Olympics at the Mexico City. The two men standing with clenched fists upraised and heads bowed while the American national anthem was played are the US athletes Tommy Smith and John Carlos. They are Afro Americans, or we can say they are African Americans. They had won gold and bronze medals respectively. They received their medals wearing black socks and no shoes to represent black poverty. With this gesture, they tried to draw international attention to racial discrimination in the United States. The black gloved and raised clenched fist were meant to symbolize black power. The silver medalist, white Australian athlete Peter Norman, wore a human rights badge on his shirt during the ceremony to show his support to the two Americans. So basically, the story is about the Afro Americans who had won gold and bronze medal. Since they are Afro Americans, so they are wearing black socks and no shoes to represent black poverty in the Olympics. And their raised clenched fist and their heads bowed down symbolize the power of the black people. And this thing is also being supported by the Austrian athlete whose name is Peter Norman, as he has worn a human rights badge on his shirt so that he can show his support to the two Afro Americans. As a result of their action, the International Olympic Association held Carlos and Smith guilty of violating the Olympic spirit by making a political statement. So, the International Olympic Association held Carlos and Smith guilty because they tried to make a political statement on the grounds of the Olympics, and as their punishment, their medals were taken back and they faced a lot of criticism. The Australian athlete Norman also suffered for his action as he was not included in the Australian team for the next Olympic. But their action somehow succeeded in gaining international attention for the civil rights movement in the US. This civil rights movement was started in 1954 and it till 1968, and the main aim of this movement was to abolish the legal racial discrimination which was being faced by the African Americans. This movement was led by Martin Luther, and this movement practiced non-violent methods of civil disobedience movement against the racial discriminatory laws and practices. So because of the actions of Smith and John Carlos, this movement got lots of attention from all around the world. And in order to honor these athletes, their statue was installed in San Jose University. And also, when Norman died in 2006, Smith and Carlos were pallbearers at his funeral. Pallbearers means the ones who escort the coffin at funeral. So when Norman died, Carlos and Smith were pallbearers at his funeral. I hope the topics are clear to you. Thank you.